think a common thread or a common reason why people seek out coaching or their managers seek it for them is this notion of the unconfident self. There's a perception amongst many of my clients, and has been for many years, that they're not confident, whether that be in a specific area like presentation skills or going for that promotion or networking. There seems to be a perceived common reason why people seek out coaching, and that's a lack of confidence. I'm not at all saying that there's a large population of unconfident people, but definitely amongst my coaching clients, I would say that is definitely a common reason that people reach out and seek coaching. I believe that there's a science to building confidence, and I believe that there's a formula, and that the first step is to realize that nobody can give you confidence or provide it to you. They can provide you encouragement, motivation perhaps, a little bit of inspiration, positive reinforcement of a job well done, but ultimately confidence relies on our own abilities to dedicate ourselves and commit to the development of our confidence in whatever areas that we want to achieve great things or move into different areas. So the first port of call is, of course, to set a goal or an objective, something you'd like to achieve, and then looking at a strategy, a plan, and then that plan should include what personal resources you have at your disposal that are going to assist you to achieve that goal. Both personal resources, and that could be courage, mental toughness, experience, and then looking at the resources that you need to seek and find them that are not immediately at your disposal, and that could be further education, mentoring, advice, etc. Or budget. It's about being solution focused and focusing on what you do have at your disposal, and less about the obstacles. Obstacles are important, but they're to be acknowledged, and then it's about finding a way, as Diana Nayed, the marathon swimmer, would always say, find a way around it, etc. So then there's the next step, which is, of course, work really, really hard. Most people aren't comfortable with that, but that's the only way. Without that step of working really hard, you have nothing but just positive thinking and positivity, which is extremely important in the process, but without hard work, it is just empty words. So then after this notion of really, really hard work, it's about the achievement or the goal attainment. And then the next step, which is the most important, to celebrate the achievement and the reaching of that goal, to acknowledge. Without that, our brain doesn't recognize that we have achieved the goal, and therefore self-efficacy won't be built or developed. The self-efficacy piece allows us to have the confidence next time that we will be able to achieve another similar goal or an even greater goal. So self-efficacy is our confidence in our abilities and our skills, and building confidence allows that. So once people understand this formula, it demystifies this notion of confidence, and it is an absolute myth that you're either confident or you're not. Everybody has the ability to be as confident as they possibly can. And it's our responsibility to be confident so that we can contribute to our team, our organisation, our family in a positive, purposeful way. So that's my tips around confidence for this conversation, and I wish everyone a very confident day.